This poem is by Khalida Sethi, and it's called Astaghfirullah, or God forbid. With you, I change pronouns and desex my words. Tongue rattles, words come strained. Even my nerves protest the changing of love, relationship, lust, into friend, friendship, like. Because with you, ama, aunt, mother, I can't imagine living honesty and virtue at the same time. These things are not things in an Afghan girl's hands. These words are sins in an Afghan girl's mouth. We listen, crazy, happy, to American music. Your index finger thumping fast on the steering wheel. You spin me right round, baby. Sing, sister, sing. But love and seduction are feelings foreign to a heart purified in uzu. Thank God we are too pure and clean for anything but approved arrangements. My skirt rebels above my knees, and I'm reminded with a harsh slap to the thigh that my chastity is your honor. My chastity is your honor. There is, it seems, doesn't it, so much power in the thin layer of skin between my legs. That little bit of woman scares, inspires whole laws and customs. Our thinnest, smallest flesh demands such attention. Imagine the demands of my whole person. Imagine what our whole bodies could do.